Yes, hello. After you install the Cloud Desktop, so this is what we did in last video. We will use the MCP server to manipulate the local file system, and this is crazy, right? Because you can now just let the AI summarize any file on your PC, and you don't have to copy it and shift it into copy paste into ChatGPT, for example. You can just use this one now. Claude is also AI, so just be ready. And yeah, we have to do some setup for these. It's quite a major task to do the setup first, but it doesn't probably take so much long. And yeah, so after this intro, let's just open the app and find out how it works. So one thing is very important, which you have to understand. So you can now use this desktop app to access your PC. So what I want to show is, for example, on my home screen here. So you have some file here, and let's just create some new folder, maybe in the around the world, which is empty. So let's put here scripts. And then, for example, let's put some Python script, something dot Python script. Okay. And then we would just ask the thing, can you search for this any Python script in the around the world folder? And we would just do this. And can you search for any Python script in the folder? And now it would do it if I give the yeah I, on your local computer. And now you see here, I don't have the ability, it says. And you think, why don't I have ability to search in the word folder? Because if you search online, you can see, oh, okay, it does have the local file and folder management capability. So the thing you have to do is go here in the settings and edit the config. And now we'll maybe ask how to edit the config in the Claude Desktop app in order to be able to for Claude Desktop to use the file system, because this is the first to use the file system on the PC. And now it will tell you some specific code to put in the config folder, which is basically looking like this, and we have to edit the config. So this is the code. So we have MCP server. This is some kind of thing that does the connection for Claude and the for Claude and the file system. So we need to use this here, and yeah, this is file system command npx arguments is then here you have the path to the allowed directory. And what I will just use as allowed directory is just for the sake of this tutorial is the around the world folder. So which we have set up, and in the folder we have some Python script. So let's just go to the setting and developer, edit config, and then we can see the config here. So config is empty for now, but now we have here the config, and then you fill the path to the allowed directory, which we will just copy from here around folder like this. But we have to, I think, use the forward slash two times, I think. So go back to the config, use it like this. And then we have to, I think, as it said here, close the Cloud Desktop again. And if you have multiple directories, you can put here two, as you see. Okay, okay. Due to the error that Node.js wasn't installed, I did install it in the meantime. So yeah, we should be good to go now. I mean, I did install it and I did check Node version. I can do it again. with the CMD node minus version, and then we see here it's 24 version. So yeah, close it again. NPX, we should also try maybe NPX version. It's there, so we are good to go. Let's close the app again, as it's here, and now then afterwards the MCP server should run successfully, and then we can finally do what we wanted to do. Ah, it's not. Okay. For troubleshooting, please visit debugging MCP file system. Can I see some home developer settings? File open logs folder, maybe here. MCP server file log. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. So this is here like at the moment I did it, and let's just put in the conversation which we just had. So still error. The path to Node.js has spaces and isn't being handled correctly in the config. Ah, okay. Yeah, if you see some kind of error popping up, just do the same as me and take a look at the MCP server file system log, right? Which I just was finding here in the app data roaming and Claude and then logs, and then you have some different logs, but the important one was this one. Yeah, so I think we'll just edit config now, and yeah, let's see how it works. Just restart the cloud again, and now let's try. Is anything in the folder? So can you finally? Ah, wait. We can just go back to our original one. So can you search for any Python script in the around the world folder? Here. Ha! See, before it was telling me, no, I'm not being able to do it, blah blah blah. But this time, now that we have set up MCP server, this time it works. So yeah, we see here, we see blah blah blah, always allow, let's say, because it's just looking for something in the folder, you can always allow. I didn't find any Python script in the folder. Okay, why didn't it find it? Because maybe in the folder it wasn't, but in the folder below it was. So let's just see here. Oh yeah, it's in the scripts folder. Search for in subdirectories as well too. Look for other type. Oh yeah, I found. And now write a real Python script and run it for just some. The Python script shall create a file in the around the world folder, which is just for txt testing file with funny YouTube content. Understood? I think it's capable to do it. So let's just try. Yeah, around the okay, define output file path. Okay, yeah, looks good. Create funny YouTube style content. Okay, there it is. Oh yeah, it does really much content. Yeah, okay. I mean, allow once for this. I mean, let's just see what it does. Okay, allow once. Perfect. I created, however, need to clarify it. Created type, but cannot actually execute and load it. What I can do is create the output file directly for you right now. Yeah, do it. Okay, it doesn't actually do the file creation right now, but I mean, we have the Python script. Let's just open with Notepad here. So this is some Python script here, import something and so on and so on, content and put content print here. So this is the Python script, and the content is then living in this file, right? I mean, it's super cool, and I think this is kept empty. Yeah. I mean, it's super cool, right? You can do anything you want on your local PC. You can summarize files as well. So if you want to, for example, now take a look at this file here. Um, for this file, you can like maybe copy as path or just Control Shift and C, and then this file. Please count all E's. I mean, it would do it. It would do it. So it's super crazy, right? Always allow. The file contains 131. There you get it. Isn't it great? Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for all the patience. It has been quite a long video today, but yeah, it's really important, right? It's really important to take a look at this. Make sure Node.js is installed first and all the other stuff. And yeah, thank you for your attention. I mean, that's it. Okay. That's it. If you have any further question, it's quite difficult task and so on and so on. Just head out to me. Just head out and we will get into touch and talk a bit, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.